Hello everyone, welcome back to this series on grammar. Today we are going to see about the fourth parts of speech, that is adjectives. First let us see what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that gives additional information about a noun. Example, Sheila is a tall girl. It is a new book. In the first example, Sheila is a tall girl. The word tall gives additional information about the noun Sheila, that she is a tall girl. And in the second example, it is a new book. Here we get information about the book, that is, it is a new book. Now we are going to see about the kinds of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. They are adjective of quantity, adjective of quality, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. First, let us see about adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is denoted by the words some, any, no, little or few, many, much, 1, 20, etc. Example, they bought some fruits. Here we get information about the quantity of fruits, that is some fruits. Here the word some is an adjective which is an adjective of quantity. And in the next example, no work was done yesterday. In this example, the word no is an adjective of quantity. The second type of adjective is called adjective of quality. Adjective of quality is indicated by the words clever, dull, tall, short, dry, warm, good, bad, heavy, circle, etc. For example, it is a small round clock. In this example, the words small and round, they give additional information about the clock. And the words small and round are adjectives of quality. And in the second example, she is a good dancer. Here we get information about the girl or a particular person who is a good dancer. Here the word good is an adjective of quality. Next we are going to see about demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are denoted by the words this, that, these and those. For example, this shop will be open till 9 p.m. In this example, the word this is demonstrative adjective. And the second example, those students are from Chennai. Here we get information about the students, and those is a demonstrative adjective. Next, we are going to see about distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are indicated by the words each, every, either, neither. Example, every question has to be answered. In this example, the word every is a distributive adjective. And in the next example, she hasn't written either of the essays. In this example, the word either is a distributive adjective. Next, we are going to see about interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are denoted by the words which, what, whose. For example, whose is this? Here we are asking about a particular object. Whose is this? To whom this particular object belongs to. Whose is this? Here the word whose is an interrogative adjective. And in the second example, which of them is the youngest? Here the word which is an interrogative adjective. And in the final example, what newspaper do you read? Here the word what is an interrogative adjective. Next, we are going to see about the final type of adjective, that is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are indicated by the words my, your, his, her, its, their, etc. For example, It is his bike. Here, the word his gives us additional information about the possessiveness of the noun, that is, his bike. Then, and in the next example, the boys are with their father. Here, the word there is a possessive adjective. I hope this is clear to you all. Thank you for your patient listening. Meet you in the next series.